back to my channel. I'm caviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing well. This is actually my second collaboration, so I'm excited. Let's jump into today's review. Today's hair sponsor is Rpgshow. They are well known, one of the most popular wig brands. They have been around. They were established in 2006. And if you know anything about hair, that's a long time. What I have installed is a 16-inch 13x6 HD shoulder length middle part soft layers Auburn brown wig. This is also a glueless unit, so you can just wear her glueless like I have her installed today. And of course, guys, if you want to find this wig, I'm gonna link it in the description box for you. All the details about what I have and the unit that I have is going to be linked in the description box.
Protecting my peace for so long, a little too good, now I'm solo. Watching reruns of the same shows, almost every party I'm a no-show. Even with green lights I don't go. Never been sure, no I don't know. How does everybody else let go of the ego? Don't go out nearly as much as I should, barely know the way.
We're going to wear this wig glueless. Rpgshow, they make beautiful wigs if you don't already know. Yeah, so they did all the hard work for us. It's giving, it needs to be glueless. I am going to be using those combs that it comes with. So now we're going to cut off the lace. And I'm gonna leave a little bit extra along the hairline. I'm not cutting too much of it off. And I'm also not cutting it in like a zigzag fashion. This lace is very beautiful.
If you show me, if you show me, I spent so much time daydreaming, so now I don't know how I'm feeling. Don't know who is the real me. Might need my help and I thought I needed. I can see it. Need more healing.
So one thing I've noticed about the Rpgshow wigs, they are constructed nicely, but the hair is made of very good quality. So their hair is definitely like better than a lot of wig companies. Bump the ends a little. I just feel like this wig needs to be like kind of tossed over, you know? So that's what we're doing.
I might need therapy too. Help dilute all the bad news, cause I just can't deal with the lose-lose situations you have to go through. I think I need therapy now. Recycling all the same doubts. Heard it a million times, cause I tell myself all the same lies. I might need therapy too.
actually really like the volume. It has a bit of volume here, and I like the volume on this particular wig like this. Not like I'm gonna flatten it a bit, but I do want to have some volume.
Do just what you want. You're the one I trust, and I always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else. Take me to your heart. I belong to you. Take me to your soul.
Guys, and just like that, we have it. It's a glueless frontal wig. Beautiful color, beautiful style. It's giving classy, it's giving, that is her hair. What do you guys think? Would you try a wig like this? I know the price range is up there, but you guys see, right, how beautiful that lace is. Look how close I am. Tell me if you can spot that lace. Can you? I love that you don't need any baby hairs for this unit. It just looks flawless the way it is. It is a beautiful hairline. Honestly, it's just so pretty. It is giving perfection. The knots are bleached already. It comes ready to wear. The lace is blending in with my skin perfectly that I've ever seen. Look at that. Perfect middle part. Guys, the hair feels very soft too. The 200% density is natural vibes. You know, I didn't even cut any sideburns because I just wanted to leave her alone. I figured like if you're gonna wear her glueless, it's better that the hair is not cut there because it's just an indicator of like you're wearing a wig. If you just kind of leave it that way for now until you figure out what you're gonna do. If you want to put it behind your ears, just put a bit forward. It looks like this wig is secured down. It's on there. It's on there perfectly and it's so beautiful. Wow, let me know what you guys think because I love it. There's nothing bad to say, and I think it's like the perfect length for like a long bob. For me, I'm a tall girl, so I prefer like longer styles, but if I'm gonna do a shorter style like this length is chef's kiss. Like, it is perfection. The hairline, everything, 10 out of 10. I know you guys can see it. I know you're obsessed with it just as much as I am. Go get you one. 10 out of 10, definitely recommend. Those are my final thoughts. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. Share it with a friend if this is something that they might be interested in. And of course, the information for this wig is gonna be in the description box below. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already because we always do wig giveaways and all that good stuff. I'm gonna catch you guys later. Bye for now.